The power of debate in developing critical thinking speech. Good evening. Today, I stand before you to speak on a subject that's not only powerful but essential in the development of sharp minds and informed citizens. The power of debate in developing critical thinking. Debate is more than just arguing or trying to win. It is a structured intellectual process that challenges us to think deeply, listen carefully, and respond truthfully. In a world loaded with opinions, debate teaches us to separate fact from fiction, emotion from logic, and noise from substance. Critical thinking is the ability to analyze information objectively and make a reasoned judgment. Debate nurtures these skills by forcing us to consider multiple perspectives. When preparing for a debate, we must research thoroughly, anticipate counter-arguments, and defend our position with evidence and logic. This process trains our minds to evaluate information, question assumptions, and think beyond the obvious. Moreover, debate teaches respect for differing views, for fact, and for the process of reasoned argument. It makes us better communicators, more open-minded individuals, and more active participants in society. In classroom, courts, and communities, debate sharpens intellect and builds confidence. It transforms passive learners into engaged thinkers, whether we become lawyers, teachers, scientists, or leaders. The ability to think critically and argue persuasively will always be an asset. In conclusion, let us embrace debate not just as a skill but as a mindset, one that empowers us to question, to learn, and to grow. The power of debate lies not in winning arguments but in developing minds. Thank you.